Yo, what's up? What's going on? What happened? New video, and today we're talking about Discord, so let's get started. So what is Discord? Discord is a social media platform that gives you the ability to communicate with people through voiced calls or text messages. It is the main platform for NFTs to build a community. So let's see how we can install it. So we hit the Google, search up Discord, and then click on the first link, which should be discord.com. And then we are on the front page of Discord. You need to click on download for your operation system. For me it's Windows, so I'm gonna click download for Windows. It's the same button. After you install the app, you would be welcome on the front panel. You just have to click on register a new account and just make an account for yourself on Discord. Just use email, your username, and a password to keep it secure. And after you make your account, you need to head over to the user settings. You head over to privacy and safety, that green button that is on, allow direct messages. You need to turn this off. So what this does is stops any direct messages going to your account, and the reason for that is almost all of the NFT projects, there are scammers who's gonna try to send you a suspicious link to steal your money, which is really common in the NFT space. Just tells you if you want to apply this to all of the servers, you just click yes. And here is how it shows on the sender's view. If they try to send you any messages, they're just gonna get this pop-up. But if you want to turn it on for a specific server, you can just right click on the server that you want. You head over to privacy settings and then just turn on allow direct messages, but only do that on servers that you trust or want to get direct messages from. You can turn it on and off on the specific servers that you want. Being in the NFT space is gonna make you join a lot of servers, sometimes over 100 servers. So it's really important to make folders. The way to make folders is just drag and drop one Discord to another, and that is your folder. You can right click this folder, go to the folder settings and name it and change the color of the folder as you like. And obviously you can make multiple folders, so you don't have to stick with only one. Now after you created your account, you want to join servers. What you do is there's a plus button at the end of the list of the servers that you have. If you don't have any, it's going to be the first button below the Discord logo. You click on it and then click on join server. And here just paste your invite link or code of the server. As a beginner, I do recommend joining the server called ABK. They are an open community to help anyone new or old in the NFT space, so you will gain a lot of experience joining the server and meet a lot of great people. But just to let you know, the ABK Discord, in order for you to join, your account has to be 7 days or older just to prevent scammers and bots. Alright, so that will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Wait up for the next video. It's gonna be extensions to help you out a lot in your career. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace.